Hello students, in the today's video we will discuss about the important questions from aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. बऱ्याचशा विद्यार्थ्यांना हा टॉपिक डिफिकल्ट वाटतोय बट इट इज व्हेरी सिंपल. काही क्वेश्चन्स हे फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क आहेत. सो विल डिस्कस इम्पॉर्टंट वन. सो विल डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक इन द 2 or 3 व्हिडिओज. सो जसे जसे क्वेश्चन्स आपण क्लॅरिफाय होत जातील तसे तसे नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओकडे जाऊ आणि प्रिव्हियस टॉपिकचे म्हणजे अल्किल हलाइड, अल्कोहोल, फिनॉल इतरचे लिंक्स मी ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये शेअर केलेले आहे. सो विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन. क्वेश्चन येतोय, राईट द आययुपीएसी नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ फॉलोइंग कंपाऊंड्स. कधी कधी अल्डेहाइड विचारतात, कधी कधी ऍसिड्सचे तुम्हाला आययुपीएसी नॉमेनक्लेचर विचारतात. ते तुम्हाला कॉमन नेम दिलेले असतात और मे बी स्ट्रक्चर्स आर गिवन. सेकंड, व्हेरी व्हेरी इंपॉर्टंट पॉइंट, अल्डोल कंडेन्सेशन इन कॅनिझेरोज रिएक्शन. सो मेकॅनिझम 3 मार्क लिहू शकतो. अल्डोल कंडेन्सेशन इन कॅनिझेरोज रिएक्शन, क्लेमेन्सन्स रिडक्शन, उल्फ-किर्शनर रिडक्शन. So this is your reduction for carbonyl compound into CH2 group. Grignard reagent to prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So Grignard reagent ने आपण प्रिपेअर करू शकतो. हे आपण ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केले आहे प्रीवियस चॅप्टर मध्ये. नेक्स्ट वन, अटॅक ऑफ NH2Z म्हणजे काय, अमिनो सबस्टिट्यूटेड जे ग्रुप आहे ऑक्सिजन प्रिपेअर करण्यासाठी, हायड्रोजन प्रिपेअर करण्यासाठी, हायड्रोजन प्रिपेअर करण्यासाठी वेगवेगळे फंक्शनल ग्रुप आपण घेतलेला आहे. कार्बोनिल फंक्शनल ग्रुप घेतला आणि त्याच्यावर वेगवेगळे अमिनो ग्रुपचे अटॅक केलेला आहे. सो ते ऑक्सिजन तुम्हाला बनवायचे आहे. युजेस ऑफ अल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स, त्याच्यानंतर व्हॉट इज कीटोन्स, व्हॉट आर अल्डिहाइड्स, गिव्ह द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कीटोन्स किंवा सिल्वर मिरर टेस्ट. ही अल्डिहाइड अँड कीटोनची डिस्टिंग्विश टेस्ट आहे. अल्डिहाइड अँड कीटोनला डिस्टिंग्विश करतोय सिल्वर मिरर टेस्टने. अजून एक आहे तुम्हाला हॉफमनची एक रिएक्शन येऊ शकतोय, हॅलोफॉर्मिक रिएक्शन येऊ शकते. नेक्स्ट वन हिस्टरिफिकेशन, सॅपोनिफिकेशन पण येऊ शकतं. HBZ रिएक्शन, दॅट इज हेड-होलार्ड-जेलिन्स्की रिएक्शन. सो हे काही प्रॉमिनंट क्वेश्चन्स आहेत, प्रॉमिनंट टॉपिक्स आहेत. सो विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन क्वेश्चनरी ऑफ प्रीवियस इयर क्वेश्चन बोर्ड. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, March 2016, March 2011. First question will start with the definition. Question will be asked, what are aldehyde ketones? How the ketones are classified? How the ketones are classified? This will be your first question. Very basically, first of all, aldehydes. So what are aldehydes? So definition of aldehyde. Aldehydes are first oxidative product of primary alcohol. First oxidative product of primary alcohol. First oxidative product of primary alcohol. Second oxidative product of primary alcohol is acids. So in the first step we will get aldehydes. So simple definition, first oxidative product of primary alcohol is called as aldehydes with a functional group. Formula as a functional group, or we can write aldehydic functional group. This is your functionality group. Example, formaldehyde, HC-double-bond-OH or CH3C-double-bond-OH. This is your formaldehyde, or we can say as a methanol. This is your ethyl aldehyde called as acetaldehyde. Second one, ketones. So what are ketones? Same definition. First oxidation, your first oxidative product, of secondary alcohol, first oxidative product of secondary alcohol. So functionality group, C-double-bond-O will be the functionality group. So examples, first molecule of ketone, that is acetone, we can say as propanone. Second question, first one we have completed, that is definition, what are aldehydes and ketones. Second, how are ketones classified? So what are the classifications of ketones? So there are two classifications. One is the symmetrical or simple ketone. The second one unsymmetrical, that is mixed ketone. We can write here symmetrical, unsymmetrical. So what is the definition of symmetrical ketone? Symmetrical or simple ketone, when carbonyl attached to the same alkyl group, when carbonyl carbon, this is your carbonyl carbon attached to the same alkyl group, that is R and R dash will be the same, called as symmetrical ketone. Example, acetone. So what is the name of this molecule? We can say as acetone, propanone, और मिथिल मिथिल है ना, so it is dimethyl ketone. Second molecule mixed ketone. When both the alkyl group attached to the definition will be when both the alkyl group attached to the carbonyl carbon are different, R is not equals to R dash, that is called as unsymmetrical ketone or mixed ketone. When one side is CH3 group and another side will be C2H5. So what is the name of molecule? Ethyl methyl ketone, or we can say 1 2 3 4, that is 2-butanone or butanone. Second question, write a note on aldyl condensation, or question may be asked how alpha beta unsaturated compound will be formed from aldehyde or ketone. Or third question, how beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketones will be formed. It's a very famous question. Compulsorily many times question was asked on the basis of aldyl condensation. Its name indicates aldehyde and alcohol, both the functional group are present in the given compound, or ketone generate ketol, aldehyde generates aldol. Elimination of water molecule is there after the reaction, called as condensation reaction. So March 2015, March 9, March 10, October 13, March 14, March 17, March 2020. So many times question was asked. So what is your reaction? Aldehyde or ketones? So 2 moles of aldehyde and ketone which contains alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha hydrogen means what? The carbonyl carbon, this is your carbonyl carbon, neighboring to that called as alpha carbon, and त्याचे hydrogens काय असणार आहे? Alpha hydrogens असणार आहे. What we are condition for this reaction? Alpha hydrogen containing aldehyde or ketone. हे 2 moles का होता है मॉलिक्यूल चे रिएक्ट होता है in presence of dilute NaOH. इथं बीटा हायड्रोक्सी अल्डेहाइड तुम्हाला भेटतोय. याचं जर डिहायड्रेशन केलं, if you are dehydrating this molecule in presence of H2SO4, this is dehydrating agent, you will get alpha beta unsaturated OH and H, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde ketone. याचं जनरल नाव आहे प्रोटोनॉल्डिहाइड. सो हे कंपाउंड कसे जनरेट भेटतंय? विल सी mechanism is what? This is your reaction. Mechanism is step-wise discussion of reaction. What is your mechanism? Mechanism is what? Mechanism म्हणजे काय? Step-wise discussion. आता पहिल्या स्टेप मध्ये काय होतंय? सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साइड will react with first molecule of aldehyde. So सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साइडचा रोल काय बघा इथे? Sodium hydroxide acts as a base. So sodium hydroxide has 2 roles. One is the base, another is nucleophile. When any system which donate lone pair of electron to the hydrogen, it acts as a base. When any system that donate lone pair of electron to the carbon, it acts as a nucleophile. This is the dual nature of NOH. So CH2H म्हणजे काय? CH3 C double bond OH. आपण काय केलं? फक्त हायड्रोजन स्प्लिट केलेला आहे. रिएक्टेड विथ NaOH डायल्यूट मीडियम. हे ऍसिडिक हायड्रोजन्स असतात. अल्फा हायड्रोजन म्हणजे काय? ऍसिडिक हायड्रोजन. कार्बोनिलच्या शेजारचा कार्बन म्हणजे अल्फा कार्बन, पुढचा बीटा, पुढचा गॅमा. आता हा अल्फा कार्बनचे हायड्रोजन हे इथे ऍब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करणार आहे. That is called as abstraction of proton or generation of carboanion. Carbon contains a negative charge called as carboanion in the first step. याला रेझोनन्स स्टॅबिलिटी पण आहे. इंटरकन्व्हर्टेबल स्ट्रक्चर पण तुम्ही ड्रॉ करू शकता मॉलिक्यूल साठी. सो दिस इज युअर कार्बोanion. सो कार्बोanion हा फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये जनरेट होतोय and that कार्बोanion will attack on the another molecule of aldehyde. So this is another molecule plus carbanion which are generated in the first step. This will attack on the carbonyl center. Valency will be increases, pi bond weaker bond that will be break in the reaction. So काय भेटेल आपल्याला? So what will be the product in this reaction? CH3. So as it is. Next C वरती O minus CH attach कोण झाले त्याला? CH2, which compound which attached to that one? CH2, C double bond OH, C double bond OH. After protonation, it will be OH. After protonation, it will be OH. Dehydrating agent H2SO4 in presence of heat. What it gives? Elimination of OH and H of this hydrogen. So what will we get? CH3, CH double bond C double bond OH. This is your alpha, this is your beta, called as alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, or it is 1 2 3 4. At number 2 double bond is there, so it is 2 butynyl. ब्यूट म्हणजे 4 कार्बन, इन म्हणजे डबल बॉन्ड, एन अल म्हणजे अल्डिहाइड. So it's a 2 butynyl, or common name of this compound is crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. याचं नाव काय? 1 2 3 3 hydroxy butanol, or 1 2 3 1 2 3, that is alpha beta hydroxy butanol. So this is your aldehydic functional group, this is your alcoholic functional group. This is called as aldehydic and alcoholic functional. Alcohol ends with ol, methanol, ethanol, like this one. So it is called as aldol. Why the reaction is called as aldol condensation? Because aldol is the name of the product in this reaction. After water molecule eliminate, it will give alpha beta unsaturated compound. Unsaturated means doubly bonded compound. So what you have to write down in the description? First point, when 2 or more than 2 aldehydes react in presence of NaOH. So what is the condition of aldehyde? Condition, alpha hydrogen present. Aldehyde ketone which require alpha hydrogen for this elimination, it will form. First step, abstraction of proton, alpha position generation of anion. That anion will attach on the second molecule of aldehyde ketone. So it will give beta hydroxy aldehyde, that is your aldol, which on water elimination it gives alpha beta unsaturated compound, called as aldol condensation. Very important question. Second question, most important second question, that is Cannizzaro reaction. Question may be asked, write a note on Cannizzaro reaction, or it is a self-oxidation reduction reaction. Many times it was asked in competitive exams as a name for a disproportionation reaction. So what is your Cannizzaro reaction? We'll write first of all reaction and the second one mechanism. So what is your Cannizzaro reaction? Reaction, aldehyde of 2 moles or ketones which contains or which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. Absence of alpha hydrogen atom. This is your first molecule of aldehyde. This is your second molecule of aldehyde containing formaldehyde molecule. Reacted in presence of sodium hydroxide. 50% sodium hydroxide will require. One molecule will be oxidizes and one molecule will be reduced. So what is the oxidation of aldehyde? Acids. And what is the reduction of molecule? Alcohols. So one molecule will be oxidized, that is HC double bond OOH. This is addition of oxygen, that is oxidation. And इथे काय होईल? Reduction will, that is HCH3OH. So this is your formic acid. This is your methanol. And both the compounds are formaldehyde. So how the reaction proceeds? Very simple. So here condition is that, what is the condition of reaction? Condition, absence of alpha hydrogen atom. What is the condition? Absence of alpha hydrogen atom of aldehyde and ketone. Basically formaldehyde and benzaldehyde will be used in the examination. So formaldehyde HC double bond OH. Again like previous reaction, पहिल्या reaction मध्ये काय केलं होतं आपण? सेम NaOH चा रोल घेतला होता. That time NaOH, so that time aldehyde contains alpha hydrogen atom. So NaOH चा रोल काय झाला तिथे? NaOH donates their electron to the proton, म्हणजे तो तिथे बेस झाला. पण इथे अल्फा हायड्रोजन आहे का? नो, अल्फा कार्बनच नाहीये, तर अल्फा हायड्रोजन येणारच नाही. अल्फा कार्बन म्हणजे नेबरिंग टू दिस कार्बन असेल तर त्याला अल्फा कार्बन म्हणतात, त्याचे हायड्रोजन अल्फा हायड्रोजन. सो इथे NaOH चा रोल काय होतो? NaOH acts as a nucleophile. आणि प्रीवियस रिएक्शन मध्ये काय होता? तो बेस होता. सो NaOH चा न्यूक्लियोफाइल म्हणजे काय? अटॅक्स ऑन कार्बन. सो व्हाट विल फॉर्म? HCO minus H, and this is an incoming OH. So this is your generation of anion in the first step. So when this anion HCO minus OH, when this anion react with the another molecule of aldehyde, हा anion काय झाला? फर्स्ट स्टेप मध्ये प्रिपेअर्ड झाला. That will react with the second molecule. When this electron comes in the resonance for striking force, this hydrogen will attack. At that time its role changes, that is hydride. Hydride H minus झाला, तर काय होईल रे HC इथे काय झालं, right now it will be double bond OH, तसाच H will be attacked here, valency will be increased, weaker bond will be break. काय भेटेल HC, this is your incoming H, this is your original previous H, O minus, and after protonation it will be OH. So what will be the molecules? Your formic acid and here methanol. The reaction is called as aldol condensation. Next question, very important question. How ethanoic acid, or many times it was acetic acid, prepared from, ethanoic acid prepared from dry ice or from methyl cyanide. First method, from dry ice. What is dry ice? Solid carbon dioxide is called as dry ice, that is solid CO2. When dry ice reacted with the Grignard reagent, that is IMGX, right now according to requirement, methyl magnesium halide, that is methyl magnesium chloride, react with carbon dioxide. This is your dry ice. Many times it was asked. So बऱ्याच वेळेस काय होतं की तुम्हाला ड्राय आईस काय माहित नसतं, सॉलिड कार्बन डायऑक्साइडलाच ड्राय आईस म्हणतात. सो दिस मायनस विल बी अटॅक्ड ऑन दिस कार्बन atom, valency increases, pi bond will be break. In presence of dry ether, it will from Grignard complex. काय होईल, हा CH3 कुठे अटॅच झालाय, CH3 अटॅच झालाय बॉटम साइडला. This double bond remains as it is. This will be a minus. हा मायनस झाल्यामुळे काय होतं, ऑटोमॅटिकली मॅग्नेशियम हा पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, that will attract toward this negative. This is your Grignard complex. On hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis, with H plus pick up will. So what will be gives? CS3. So directly write, we'll write CS3 OH plus Mg. Water contains CH and OH. H will be attached here and OH will be with Mg. OH and Cl. We can write this molecule for like this also. This molecule. This is your ethanoic acid. And the second one from methyl cyanide. So what is your methyl cyanide? CS3 C triple bond N. This is your methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide reacted with sodium hydroxide in presence of water. This is just hydrolysis of cyanide. Cyanide and hydrolysis you will get respect to acids. So काय भेटेल, CH3 C double bond OONA on HCl acidification काय भेटेल, CH3 C double bond OOH. Again the same compound. If you have any query with this reaction, you can directly write with second method, or CH3 C triple bond N on H2O hydrolysis. It will form OH minus will attack here, CH3COH double bond NH on hydrolysis. It will break here, CH3C double bond OOH. You can use this method also, H plus, or you can write here. So first method or second method, we can use anyone for preparation of carboxylic acids. Next one, give any two uses for formaldehyde. July 16, formaldehyde is used for disinfectant as well as it will be used for biological specimens. Preservation for biological specimen, that is known specimen can be preserved under the formaldehyde. It can be also used for silvering of mirror. So coating of mirror from the back side will be done with the help of formaldehyde. Next one, so it will be used for the production of various plastics and resins. So phenol formaldehyde resin, that is Bakelite, or blender of plywood can be also prepared with the help of formaldehyde. One more, acetic acid, GGD, many of the compounds can be prepared with the help of formaldehyde. So these are different uses. You can write in YouTube. Next question, IUPAC nomenclature. So sometime you have to write an IUPAC nomenclature, sometime you have to write a structure and IUPAC nomenclature. March 17, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? So this is your functionating carbon, that is aldehyde. The substitution 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means butanol or butyl aldehyde. 1, 2, second number methyl group. So it is 2 methyl butanol, 2 methyl butyl aldehyde. This is cyclohexanone containing 1, 2, 3. 3 number as a methyl group as a substituent. So 3 methyl cyclohexanone. On for ketone. Next, July 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is butane, but at 2 and 3 number ketonic functional group, that is oxo functional group is there. So it is butane 2, 3 dione, or we can write 2, 3 butane dione. Di means 2 आणि ओन म्हणजे डबल बॉन्ड ओ. सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ म्हणजे ओन. डायोन म्हणजे दोनदा केटोनिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज एडिपिक ऍसिड. सो हेक्झेनडाइक ऍसिड इज कॉल्ड एज एडिपिक ऍसिड. CH2 4 times, C double bond O OH. So this is 4, 5 and 6. Hexandioic acid. Called as adipic acid. And the next one, alpha methyl butyl aldehyde. So this one is same, alpha methyl butyl aldehyde. So this type of question will be asked for IUPAC nomenclature.